RBI seems to have walked the talk after warning NBFCs to adhere to norms a week ago. The regulator has barred 4 firms from disbursing loans. The NBFCs were found to be lending at high interest rates. That's not all. The RBI has also undertaken action against gold financing company Manappuram. Vishwanath Nair joins us for more. Vishy, can you recap all the action the RBI has taken overnight?
Yeah, Tamanna, just a clarification. So the action is against Asirvad Micro Finance, which is a subsidiary of Manappuram Gold. And the reason why a lot of brokerages are against Manappuram is because Asirvad Micro Finance contributes about 27% of the consolidated AUM at the Manappuram level. And that's why there's going to be a significant earnings impact, primarily because disbursals and sanctions of loans have been barred by the Reserve Bank of India. We have seen in the past that these kind of restrictions do affect businesses for a fairly long period of time, anywhere between 3 to 6 months, and sometimes extending to up to a year. And that's primarily why the RBI is so in its guidelines, and that's why we are seeing this kind of action against Manappuram Gold. There's also DMI and Navi Finserv, which is Sachin Bansal's company. All of these have been impacted by the RBI's regulations, Arohan as well. These companies were, of course, lending at interest rates, as you mentioned, but there's also some mention of evergreening of loans, some non-compliance with the RBI's asset classification norms. All of these are issues that the RBI takes very seriously, and that's what it has said. It has not specified which company is responsible for what, but there's clearly a lot that is happening in these companies which the RBI is not very happy with. If you remember, during the monetary policy announcement, the RBI governor did point out that they have been talking to NBFCs and they're not really happy with the growth at all costs sort of approach that some NBFCs are taking, and that compliance with guidelines is very, very important because that is intended to protect the end consumer. These are some of the actions that have been taken. Of course, everybody was a little curious to understand which specific NBFCs the RBI is talking about. Now you have 4 of them which have been subjected to action.
Okay, thank you for that.